Greetings, souls! My name is Reeve Henry and this is I Am Reverie. Nasa likod ng camera, si Apple. We are here in Quirino Grandstand, dito sa May Manila. Dahil mag-iimbestiga po tayo ngayong gabi, aalamin po natin kung meron pang mga espiritu o kaluluwa na gumagala sa lugar na ito. 13 years ago, that was on August 23, 2010, merong isang dismissed na pulis na nagngangalang Rolando Mendoza. Siya ay natanggal sa trabaho o kaya sa araw na yon, gusto niyang gumawa ng paraan para siya ay makabalik sa kanyang dating trabaho o dating posisyon. Sa kasamang palad, 9 na taong namatay sa araw na yon, kabilang si Rolando Mendoza at ang 8 Hong Kong nationals. Dito mismo, hininto ni Rolando Mendoza ang suspect, ang bus na may sakay ng mga Hong Kong nationals at ang driver na to. Umabot ng 11 oras ang hostage taking na naganap noong araw na yon. Naniniwala po kami na ang mga espiritu o kaluluwa ay nasa paligid-ligid lamang. For this investigation, gagamit lang tayo ng EMF meter natin, SB7 spirit box at ang ating voice recorder. Once again, the assignment is to look for the evidence or proof of the paranormal and the supernatural. Kaya naman, samahan nyo kami sa gabing ito. Umpisahan na natin to. Umpisahan natin ang investigation natin, guys, by using this device. This is an EMF meter na sinasabing nakakapag-detect ng mga electromagnetic fields. Nakakatakot ding isipin na dito mismo nakatayo dito mismo nakaparada yung bus na ginamit sa stage taking. And also, aside from that, uunahin natin gamitin kasabay ng EMF natin ang 2 apps, that is GhostTube at Spirit Talker. Bakit tayo gagamit ng apps? There are things na mahirap i-explain with regards to the paranormal. Again, I always say this, paranormal is a belief. We'll be using 2 apps para titignan natin kung magmamatch ba yung mga sagot. And you decide kung ano sa tingin niyo. Magandang gabi po. Or siguro mag-English ako, no? Para maintindihan. Kasi mga Chinese national.
Ay, ni hao ma?
Kasi mga Hong Kong nationals yung ano. Well, it's still Chinese. They're still Chinese. Ni hao ma? Ni hao ma?
Wo ming bai, wo yao de ai. Ni yao de ai. Kakanta pala ng Meteor Garden.
Kanta ng Meteor Garden.
Oy.
Are you okay?
We're just laughing lang.
We're just laughing. I'm sorry. We're just playing with you guys. Terrified. This one
that was
sense.
Terrifying when it happened.
Yes, it's really terrifying. Are you one of those who died here 13 years ago? Can we get an answer?
Please listen.
Please listen. Okay, we are listening. Can't breathe. Sabi ni Spirit Talker, he says, can't breathe.
Actually, when it happened, di ba
why can't you breathe? Is it because of the tear gas?
Yeah.
It's really hard to breathe pag na, may I touch you? Yes, you may. Please touch me. I will tell you guys kung meron tayong need help. Sabi ni Spirit Talker, need help. Kung ikaw man yan, pwede mo bang hawakan itong hawak ko? Mind you guys, this is on airplane mode.
Yeah.
Itong 2 apps namin. Kahit ilapit ko yan, wala nangyayari. As you can see. Ayan.
Yeah.
Alright? Pero kung may data yan or may signal yan, head. Alright.
He was shot in the head.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ang may sala nung araw na yon ay nabaril sa ulo ng sniper, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba, Apple?
Yeah.
It happened here.
Yes, it happened here. It happened here. Yes, it really happened here, right on this
spot.
Can you tell me more? What did you feel as It's cold. Sabi ni GhostTube, it's cold. I want anyone, anything, mga multo, spirits, can you please touch me? I'm gonna be completely honest. Pag may humawak sa akin, I'm gonna tell you. Pag wala, wala. I've been touched for 3 times already. Alam mo yan, Pong. Sinabi ko na yan sa'yo ilang beses. 3 sunod-sunod na location sa pinuntahan namin, sa mga videos na nakita ninyo. 3 beses na ako nahahawakan. So, it's not new to me. Guilty. Guilty? What do you mean by guilty?
Exposed.
He was guilty.
Exposed. Kung i-connect natin, yes. Guilty ang gumawa ng araw na yon. And
Well,
he was really exposed.
If you connect the word exposed sa perpetrator, he's been accused of
Dito ka. Yes.
and then like some drugs.
Elderly, sabi ni GhostTube.
Probably.
Elderly. Sa mga drugs. So, na-expose siya talaga.
I don't know if it's really true, but when I was researching over the internet, yeah, that's what I read. Like, methamphetamine, something.
So na-expose siya. Marami rin siya kabulustugan. That's why he got dismissed.
Yeah. True or not, I don't know, but it was on the internet. Kung muna akong i-video ko na sakit sa mata.
Not.
Not?
Sabi ni Ghost.
Is it you, Albert? What is his name?
We are trying
Rolando?
Rolando. We are doing this investigation for the sake of be fearful.
Oh.
Be fearful. Disclaimer lang po bago namin ituloy-tuloy itong investigation na to. Gusto po naming malaman ninyo ng mga viewers, wala po kaming gustong sirain na pangalan, wala po kaming hinuhusgahan na kung sino man. We're just trying to seek proof of the paranormal because of what happened here on this spot 13 years ago. But again, going back, he scares people. Are you aware that we are talking about the guy kung sino yung nag-commit ng crime, ng mass murder sa lugar na ito? Are you talking about him? With regards to our EMF meter, wala nangyayari. Army.
Oh, they were full of army at that time.
It said army. Trapped. Yes, the people
We're trapped
were
in the
trapped
bus.
inside the bus. But anyways, going back, big shout out to all the Bungmanatics na nanonood ngayon. Most especially to my brother, Bungo TV. Kailangan nyo lang siya i-PM or i-DM para makabili kayo ng merch ni Bungo TV. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel. Hit. It says here, hit. Kung babalikan mo yung history niya, nakakatakot siya talaga. Imagine, nandun ka, Pong. Ano yung tumatakbo sa utak mo? Iniisip kaya nila na yun na yung huling araw nila, di ba? What do you think? What do you think?
Siya.
Kailangan mo ng more exposure. Kasi nire-request ng viewers natin yan. Alright.
No, if I am going
Where
to put
are
my
my ashes?
Where are my ashes?
Your ashes. Oh,
I think it's... Where's your
in
ash?
Hong Kong.
Where's your ash, Pong?
My ass is here. Kung lalagay ko yung sarili sa situation na yun, of course, I'll be praying because who wants to die, diba? They were here as tourists and they didn't expect na ganun yung kahihitnatnan ng pagpunta nila dito.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So, I'm pretty sure they were praying for their lives. Okay?
Yes. But anyways, tumahimik si Spirit Talker. Medyo tumahimik din.
She was listening to me.
Shoot, can you feel me? To be honest, we are not lock. Yung pinto ng bus ay nakalock. You know what, guys? Tinatry lang natin i-connect if it will make sense yung mga sagot nila, no? Doon sa mga nangyari before. But you know, again, it's up to you. We'll give it one more chance. One last chance. Can you tell us? Candles. Alright.
Yeah, nagtirik ng mga kandila yung ano.
I wanna ask them something. Alright. 8.
8 fatalities. Actually,
Yeah.
on the internet, 8
8.
sila.
Look,
Pang
look,
9
it's
siya.
8. Oops. Alright, you know what? Sinabi ko kanina sa intro, there were
9.
8 fatalities na ulitin ko. Sinabi ko na to kanina. Dislike. So anyways, merong 8. There were 8 fatalities ng Hong Kong nationals nung araw na yon. 9 pagkasama si Rolando Mendoza. Nagulat lang ako kay Spirit Talker kasi maraming numero guys. Pwedeng sabihin 5, pwedeng sabihin 6,
45.
pwedeng 10, pwedeng 45, pwedeng 12, 23. But you know, 8 ang sinabi. We are looking for those 8 spirits. If not, pwede nyo bang banggitin? Can you please tell us the name of the perpetrator? Can you please say the name Rolando?
Or mention a Chinese name.
Or Roland?
Roland.
Can you say the name Roland or Rolando?
Or the word roll. Wow.
Namatay yung ilaw.
Did you charge this? Ay,
Uy! Namatay?
namatay siya.
Are you sure?
And then I turned it off and turned it on again. It just
Okay.
turned it off by itself. So I have to
Well, pwedeng ano lang,
turn it
pwedeng-
on back by turning it off muna.
Yeah. Are you the one?
Ay,
Alone.
Leave me alone.
sorry, namatay siya
Are
ulit.
you
So,
the one doing this? Ikaw ba
wait,
nagpapatay
papatayin
ng
ko
ilaw?
ulit ha. I mean, siya.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then turn it back on.
Huwag mo nang lakasan yung ilaw. Let's
yeah.
observe.
Yeah.
Ide-debunk natin yung ilaw. Kasi namamatay yung ilaw guys, as you can see. Pero, as soon as namatay, sinabi niya, leave me alone. Are you guys mad
Na we're here.
na we're here? You don't want us here? I will give you 10 seconds. Pakinggan natin si Ghost Tube tsaka si Spirit Talker. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Wow.
Yes. May all those souls rest
Pumitik
in peace.
siya.
Pumitik siya.
Pumitik.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, patayin natin tong apps natin. This is our second part of the investigation. We'll be using the SB7 Spirit Box. So, let's try this. We are gonna be using the AM frequency at nag-sweep rate tayo ng, we'll be using the 100 sweep rate na forward. Okay. So ulitin ko, good evening once again spirits. If there is any spirits lurking around this area, we're looking for proof and evidence that you are here with us. Naghahanap lang po kami ng mga espiritu o kaluluwa, na nandito. May sinabi siya. Diretsahin kita. Ang hinahanap po namin ay si Rolando Mendoza na nagpakamatay at ng hostage dito sa lugar na ito.
Nagpakamatay. Binaril siya, hindi siya nagpakamatay. Pinatay ng mga SWAT, diba? Ng hostage.
Nga pala. We are looking for Rolando Mendoza na ng hostage sa lugar na ito 10 years ago. Dito ka rin naman namatay, so maaari ka bang magparamdam sa amin? One more time, can you please say your name? Please tell us your name. Ang hirap pa-determine ng SB7 Spirit Box ko na sinasabi. Normally, pag ginagamit namin to, naririnig namin yung sagot upon reviewing the video. Kung nandito si Rolando Mendoza, maaari ka ba naming makausap? Yes or no? Gusto naming malaman bakit mo ginawa namang hostage.
May mga naririnig na tayo but we don't want to assume na mga kung ano-anong words.
May mga naririnig kami guys pero hirap kasi mag-assume dahil alam mo yun, ayaw namin ng sounds like.
We want the exact
Yes, every time nire-review namin yung videos namin while editing.
Oh.
Okay, namatay ulit.
Wait.
Maybe baka lobat lang yung ilaw natin.
Yeah, pero ayan.
But you know,
I turned it on.
Every time na nag-review kami ng footages, we wanna make sure na yung pinapakita at pinaparinig namin sa inyo is 100% legit. Walang halong dagdag, walang bawas. Very transparent ang I Am Reverie na channel, guys. Namatay ulit. Gusto naming malaman kung meron bang Hong Kong National na kasama namin sa mga oras na ito. Can you speak with us? Na isa doon sa 8 na pinatay sa lugar na ito. Ganito gagawin natin. Namamatay yung ilaw natin, you know?
Di naman to namamatay ever. Tsaka kung low bat to, dapat
tayong dalang backup. Pero ito gagawin natin. Sige.
flashlight ko na lang
Gagamitin
siya.
ko yung flashlight dito.
Yeah.
First time mangyayari sa history ng ghost hunting. Susubukan natin ang Estes method with you. Ako yung magtatanong, kayo ang makikinig.
How about flash ng phone?
Yeah, you can do that. Yes, there you go.
Ayun.
At least para lang may ilaw din tayo.
Hmm.
Sarap kaya gawin to. Wala pang gumawa nito.
Upo na din ako.
Wala pang gumawa nito. Hindi ko maririnig. So anyways, so guys, tulad ng sinasabi ng iba nating mga kaibigang ghost hunter, investigators, kayo po ang magsisilbing mata at tenga ng investigasyon na ito. So Estes method with you, the viewer, will start now in 3, 2, 1. Gusto namin malaman kung meron ba kami espiritu o kaluluwa na kasama sa mga oras na ito. Kung meron, pwede ba namin malaman kung ilan kayo na kasama namin ngayon? Maaari bang sabihin ang mga pangalan ninyo isa-isa? Gusto lang namin mapatunayan kung kayo man ang mga namatay dito 13 years ago sa hostage taking na nangyari. Maaari bang sabihin ang pangalang Rolando or Roland?
Or the word roll.
Kung hindi man, pwede na sabihin lang salitang pulis. Maaari niyo bang sabihin ang pangalan ko? Maaari niyo bang sabihin ang pangalan ko? Ang pangalan ko ay si Reeve. Pwede mo bang sabihin ang pangalang Reeve? Sa panghuli, meron ko bang gustong sabihin sa amin? Pwede mo bang sabihin kung ilan kaming nandito ngayon? Pwede mo bang banggitin ang pangalan ng kasama ko? Sana narinig ko ang speaker. Last chance. I'll give you one last chance. In 10, meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa mga in 10 sa mga tao, sa mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. And 1. Alright. Thank you. I heard that. Pero Estes method to. So guys, one more chance. 3, 2, and 1. Napakagaling ng viewer natin. You did great. Yan ang Estes method. I hope nagtakip ka ng mata, nakinig kang maigi. That was for you. Okay, so this is gonna be our last part of this investigation. We're gonna be using this EVP voice recorder. Makita niyo, napakaliit, napakakit, diba? But this is actually a very powerful tool sa paghahanap ng mga espiritu o kaluluwa. Alright, we are recording. Good evening. We are looking for spirits. Naghahanap po kami ng mga kaluluwa, mga espiritu that is lurking around this area. Most specifically, the soul, the spirit of Mr. Rolando Mendoza. If you are here with us, can you please say anything? Can you please tell us your name if you are here? Or maybe at least you can make a noise. You can speak, you can talk to us. We can capture you on this recorder and also on our audio. Okay, so i-stop natin yan, guys. And now, papakinggan natin kung meron tayong na-capture. Alright, we are recording. Good evening. We are looking for spirits. Naghahanap po kami ng mga kaluluwa, mga espiritu that is lurking around this area. Most specifically, the soul, the spirit of Mr. Rolando Mendoza. Alright, so that is round 1. If possible, can you say shishe? Or ni hao ma? Wo ai ni?
Cheng Fei De Yi.
Ching Fei De Yi. One last chance. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, pakinggan natin. And alright, this is round 2 of this recorder's EVP session. Now we are looking for any Hong Kong nationality that died in this place at this exact same spot. We are just trying to communicate. We are looking for proof that you are here with us right now. Is there anything you want to say? Lapit ka po. Dito tayo. Is there anything you want to tell us? Can you speak any Chinese word? If possible, can you say shishe? Or ni hao ma? Wo ai ni?
Cheng Fei De Yi.
Ching Fei De Yi? One last chance. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was round 2, guys. And as you can see, ayan, ganito yung session natin pag ginagamit natin yung voice recorder. I feel like doing one more, Pong. One more round. Third round for this EVP session. Alright, I'm not gonna be asking questions. We are just looking for spirits that is around this area with us right now. Now is your chance. You can speak to us, you can talk to us in 3, 2, and 1. Anyways, thank you for our sponsors. This portion is for you. Magbubulag-bulagan ka na lamang ba? To my team, Souls, Seekers of Unexplained Lost Souls, big shoutout sa inyo. And syempre, di mo mawala. Shady Crew, Jerel, sayang wala ka dito. Magpagaling ka. I would like to greet my mom. It's her birthday
Today.
right now. Today. It's her birthday today. So, Meme, happy birthday. Know that I love you. Mahal ka naming lahat. Alam mo na kung sino-sino, hindi ko na kailangang isa-isahin. Just know and remember that we are always here for you and we love you. Especially me. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I owe my life to you. And you will always be in my heart. I love you. Mag-enjoy tayo mamaya with Kalel, with Zorel, with Pin, with the rest of the family, mga anak mo, si ate, si Kuya Arvie, si Vita. Unfortunately, wala si Kuya Richie, but it's fine. Kompleto pa rin tayo. I know he's happy somewhere. Kasama mga pamangkin at mga apo mo, mga anak mo. So, happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness that you deserve and long life, Meme. I love you. Happy birthday. Alright, last session natin in 3, 2, and 1 EVP, last round. Thank you so much, spirits, if there's any. Shishi, maraming salamat po. That is it. Big shoutout sa mga police na nagpahintulot po na makapag-investiga kami dito ngayong gabi. It's a really sad history, sad tragedy na nangyari dito 13 years ago. Nakakalungkot na may mga kinailangang pang mamatay sa kadahilanan lamang ng kagustuhan ng pangsarili or pansariling kagustuhan ng isang tao na makabalik sa kanyang dating buhay o dating posisyon sa trabaho. Nakakalungkot din na sa isang iglap nawala ang buhay ng 8 ibang lahi na Hong Kong nationals kung saan nagbabakasyon pa sila. But you know, life goes on at we will check our footages kung meron ba tayo na capture, meron ba nakipag-usap sa atin sa mga oras ng pag-iimbestiga na ito. And again, I am with Miss Apple Souls. Yeah.
And ayan, this is
again, thank you to you watching right now for the never-ending love and support. Sana po dire-diretso pa tayo. Ipakilala natin ang totoo at tamang ghost hunting dito sa Pilipinas. So I guess we are done here. Tapos na ang investigation natin dito. So with that, once again, this is your ghost detective, Reeve Henry, and another ghost detective,
Apple Fernandez.
and also we are your skeptical believers. This is I Am Reverie. Peace, love, and respect.
Sir Jarrell.
Insert Jarrell. Peace, love, and respect to each and every one of you. Till next time, see you on our next investigation. Take care, God bless, and we are
Gone.
Puna mo na lang yung yung lugar.
Oh? Bot, sa to. Hi! Anong animal yan? Ah, ibon?
Ang laki. Parang
Ay, wakwak na yun.
Aswang.
Balbal.
Kung sa iba yan, aswang.
Oo, manananggal. Ay, content agad yun.
Content agad.